This video reflects the Catholic faith and devotion to Mary based on Catholic tradition and teaching. It acknowledges each viewer's beliefs and religious practices and in no way intends to hurt these. The goal of this particular video is solely to inspire, uplift and deepen the Catholic viewer's faith in God through the inspiration of Mother Mary. It is not meant for open discussions or debates in the social media or any other means of communication.
My name is Flossy and I belong to St. John the Baptist Parish, Belen. I'm here to testify for the healing received from Jesus through the intercession of Our Lady of Candelaria. I was detected with a severe dengue in the month of August, and I had several complications related to my heart and lungs. And because of this, I was admitted in the hospital in the ICU for 11 days. In this critical health condition, I felt very dejected, very lonely and sad. I knew my health was degrading because of this complication. I could see my family, my aunts, my brother, my friends in the hospital very overwhelmed. And I felt so hopeless and couldn't get the strength during this darkest moment of my life. Amidst the difficult moments, I see the intercession of Our Lady of Candelaria. She is known for many miracles and people come to her for help, may it be Catholics or the other religion. Our Lady of Candelaria, I know that you have embraced me with your motherly care, and after 11 days in the ICU, I miraculously recovered and I was brought back home. Because of this, I feel very blessed. I also want to testify for another person named Rocky from Nerul, who 2 years back had a fall from a mango tree and he had a back injury. He had broken his back and he was unable to walk, and people thought like the fall was so bad that he wouldn't recover again. And during those days, I was attending novenas of Our Lady of Candelaria. Not knowing him though, I fervently prayed for him, and I get to know that in a few months, Rocky was completely healed and he could even drive his car. I thank the Almighty and Our Lady of Candelaria for blessing me and restoring my life. My friends, every first Saturday of the month, we have a special devotion to Our Lady of Candelaria at the Chapel of Belen. I would request you to come and experience the love and healing of the Almighty through the intercession of Our Lady of Candelaria. God bless you.